Today I will be going to be talking about Jorawar light tank and its importance, and we will also analyze its field trial happening now. The importance of Jorawar light tank cannot be neglected as it will serve various purposes of the Indian military. The importance of Jorawar light tank can be said as it is quite important in mountain warfare capabilities. This tank is specifically designed for operations in high altitude terrains like Ladakh region, where heavy tanks struggle with mobility due to challenging terrain and thin air. These tanks have enhanced mobility. This lighter weight of the tank allowed for better maneuverability in difficult terrain, including mountain, deserts, and riverine areas, enhancing tactical flexibility for the Indian Army. This tank can be rapidly deployed and quickly transported to remote and forward areas using airlift capabilities, ensuring a rapid response to emerging threats. This tank serves as a strategic balance, addresses the gap in Indian armored capability against potential adversaries like China and Pakistan, which had deployed light tanks such as Type 15 in similar terrains. This tank can be used for modern combat. Equipped with advanced electronic targeting systems and weaponry, ensures effectiveness in modern warfare scenarios. This tank is highly indigenized and shows the power of self-reliance. This tank reflects India's push towards indigenization in defense manufacturing, aligning with the Make in India initiative, reducing dependence on foreign suppliers. This tank is quite versatile, suitable for range of missions including reconnaissance, infantry support, and rapid offensive operations, enhancing the overall operational capabilities of the Indian Army. Let's analyze its new field trial happening in India. The tank is being evaluated for operational efficiency in high altitude area, ensuring engine performance, mobility, and crew comfort in the thin air and low temperature conditions. This tank is quite mobile. In the field trial test, maneuverability in rugged terrain, steep incline, and snow-covered area are being assessed. The tank firepower and accuracy focus on effectiveness of its weapon system, including main gun accuracy, stabilization in various weather conditions, and terrain. This tank is said to have low recoil compared to its competitor. This tank is highly survivable. Assessment of armored protection against anti-tank weapon and explosive has shown this tank have high survivability rate. This tank has electronics and communications systems. Trials on board electronics including target acquisition system, communication equipment, and navigation systems ensure seamless integration with the Army command and control network. This tank will also support the Indian Army logistics as age of maintenance, repair, and resupply in remote areas, crucial for sustained operation in field conditions. This tank is highly interoperable, compatibility with other military units, and perform various tasks. And this platform ensures Jorawar be effectively integrated into combined arms of. These field trials ensure that Jorawar light tank meets the operational requirement of the Indian Army, particularly in the challenging terrain like northern and eastern borders. Thanks for today. If you want to watch my other videos, go in the descriptions.